Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the bryophytes, which is the only living non-vascular plant that has adapted the land environment. Now, the word bryophytes is come from the Greek origin, which means moss plants. They are about 16,000 species of mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. These are the only living non-vascular plants. They don't have any transportation. The tissues which help it to transport water or the food. So that's why their structure largely remain very small. Now, when we talk about the habitat of bryophytes, they normally require the moist environment for their active growth and reproduction. But many species of bryophytes, they even can tolerate the dry and non-humid environment as well. Primarily, they are found in damp environments, but they can be found in very diverse habitats. They could also be found in deserts, in the Arctic area where mostly there is ice most of the time of the years, and even at high elevation, they are also found. In this diagram, you can see the typical bryophyte species, which are very small in size. Now, when we talk about the classification of these bryophytes, they are majorly classified in three major groups. The first one is mosses. They are mainly included in phylum Bryophyta. Then we have phylum Hepatophyta, which contains liverworts. And then we have hornworts, which are classified or grouped together in phylum Anthocerophyta. These three groups, they have very different characteristics, but the main and the common feature is that they lack the vascular tissues. That's why they have been grouped together in one general group known as bryophytes.